After getting out of $166,000 of non-mortgage debt, I'm excited to share with you what zero-based budgeting is and how to gain momentum in your finances. So even if you've never budgeted before or struggle to stay on track with your finances, you'll understand why this method helped us to stay organized and accomplish our goals. So let's dive in. Hello, my name is Jason Romero, and in this video I'm going to talk about what zero-based budgeting is and how it helped us to get out of $166,000 of non-mortgage debt. So a zero-based budget is your income minus expenses should equal to zero. So why is this important? You want to make sure where every single dollar that you work for is going. When you start to track your finances and where you're actually spending your money, you realize what you're investing in. And that could be positive or it could be negative, unfortunately. So when do we review our zero-based budget? That's a great question. Before the end of the month, we go over our zero-based budget. That way we know exactly what the plan is for the next month. So you may be asking, what's the point? Tracking our behavior and changing our behavior in regards to finances was incredibly important for us. We needed to learn to tell our money what to do instead of life or not having a plan telling us what to do with our money. So question of the day. Have you tried zero-based budgeting yet? If so, what was the biggest win for you? Or what was the biggest challenge that you had in zero-based budgeting? If you haven't tried this at all, then let me know what you are up to and what is working for your finances. Or maybe you don't have a plan and you have a question, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. As always, like, share, or subscribe to the channel if you gained some insights today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.